So I got my second May Stitch Fix box, and let's find out if they redeem themselves or if it's just another ride on the Stitch Fix struggle bus. Hey girlfriends, welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It. My name is Andrea and I like clothes. I love clothes, and so I do clothing unboxings and shopping hauls and just whatever seems like you would enjoy and is fun for me. All right, if you like that kind of thing, I hope you'll hit that subscribe button. I've gotten a bunch of new subscribers and I'm super excited about it. So if you're one of my subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you everybody who's watching this for spending part of your day with me and finding out what I got in my new Stitch Fix box. So Stitch Fix is a styling service. You can subscribe or you can order them on demand, and I get them every 2 to 3 weeks. You get 5 items. There is either a $20 styling fee unless they have offered you the Style Pass, which is $49 for the year. Whichever one you do, they will refund that with a purchase. So if you buy something, they'll credit you either the $20 each time you do it or the $49 once a year. You have 3 days to try everything on, and you can ask for an extension if you need more time. Shipping is free back and forth. They give you a postage paid envelope that you can just take to the post office, or like I do, have the post office pick it up. Let's see, is there anything else? If you buy all 5 items, they do give you a 25% discount off of everything. So that's what is commonly referred to as Stitch Fix math, because sometimes you end up keeping things you might not have because it just makes more financial sense to do that. They also do a preview, so they will give you 10 items that you can choose 5 of. If you don't choose 5, then they'll choose something else to make it 5 for you. And I did choose 1 item in my preview. And let's see, I guess that's it. So this is kind of a big box for a summer box. So I'm going to guess there's shoes in here, but I could be wrong. And I already opened it, but I haven't gotten into it. Yep, there's shoes. I see a shoe bag. And they give you, your stylist sends you a note. My stylist is Michaela. I'm not going to read that now, but they also send you a card with ideas on how to style the different pieces. And I don't want to look at that because I want to be surprised when I see what's in it. Here's the return envelope. This one got stuck to the tape, and so there's a little hole in it, so I'm going to have to take that up when I send things back. All right, and here is my bundle. So we've got, looks like some white denim, pink denim is what I chose, blue and white, and a green top, and I told them I don't wear green. Maybe they consider that teal, I don't know, we'll see. And then the shoes. So let's get into the shoes first, because I am a shoe girl for sure. Oh, and these are pretty cute. Oh man, those are super cute. So it's a blue and white striped wedge espadrille with some stretchy straps. Those are super cute. And I've been looking for another pair of wedge espadrilles, so I'm excited to try those on. Hopefully they'll be comfortable. Okay, so first thing is this. It's a t-shirt, and it's kind of heathered, and they're calling it turquoise. That's pretty green. It's from Threads for Thought, the Pattie Triblend V-neck tee. I do like a V-neck, and that is a color that, you know, this might look good with those jeans I kept for my last fix. So I might pull those out to try these on with. And it's just got a little slit on the side, and then the hem looks straight, maybe a little bit higher in the front. Next up, we have this, it's a blue and white long sleeve, either long or 3/4 length sleeve. The wrist has elastic, It's by Michael Kors. It's a petite extra small. It's got a elastic band there too. This gives me old lady vibes. I'll try it on. I mean, I like blue, but it's giving me old lady vibes. All right, and then these are the pink jeans. They are Gen 7, which is from 7 for All Mankind. They call them a cropped skinny. And then they have the frayed hem. 5 pocket. Got some stretch. So I had a pair of pink pants that I got from like my very first trunk club, and then I lost a bunch of weight and they don't fit anymore. So I'm hopeful for those. All right, and then next we have a Cosmic Blue Love white denim skinny. It's a Stich Fix exclusive. It's a Capri skinny jean in 2 petite. So I'm not really sure that I need another pair of white skinny capris because I'm pretty sure I have a pair. So I'll have to check, but we'll try them on. All right, so let's get to the try on. I'll show you my outfit of the day. I have to tell you guys, so yesterday it was 88 degrees here. I live in Colorado, and today it is snowing. So we're supposed to get 6 inches of snow. I know, it's May 20th, and yes, we are supposed to get 6 inches. I'm a little worried because it started snowing 5 hours earlier than they were saying it was going to. So I'm a little worried we might be in for a pretty significant snow. It's sticking on the ground, not on the roads right now. All right, let's get to this try on. So in my thumbnail, I said that I had a bonus item, and I wanted to show you that as well. This is a red polka dot dress that I got from Amazon, and I steamed it out, and I'm just curious to get your feedback on it because I'm trying to decide if it's a keeper. All right, outfit of the day, super casual, monochromatic dolman top with these Vuori joggers, and I can't remember who makes this cardigan. So coming up closer, you can see the cardigan has some herringbone texture to it and has pockets. It's pretty long, and then just this is a dolman sleeve, pretty much the same color as the joggers with some Kate Spade tennies. So I love joggers. They're so comfortable, especially these Vuori. These are, oh my gosh, so comfortable. But I have trouble styling them so that they don't look just soppy. So tell me in the comments how you style joggers so they look sleek and chic. These are the boyfriends, so they're a looser fit, and that just may be the issue, is it's just the way they are. But I would love to know what your suggestions for styling joggers are. All right, let's go try on the first outfit. So first we have the Gen 7 jeans, and they come up above the ankle. I don't even know that I would call these an ankle jean, so I'm not sure what I think of the length. My husband liked it, and the top is really soft. It's Michael Kors, so we know it's not going to be inexpensive, and it's, like I said, it's giving me old lady vibes. It's got this kind of big scoop neckline, and it is more of a 3/4 length sleeve. It's got the elastic band here, which kind of gives it almost like a front tuck look, except all the way around. So, what do you think of this top? I don't feel like I'm loving it, and I'm really trying to only put things in my closet that I love. All right, and the jeans. And I just paired them with some gold pearl feedback to know what you think, whether these are keepers. All right, let's try on something else. Okay, here is the other three pieces. The Capri jeans and the top and the shoes. All right, let's talk about the top first. So it's just a plain t-shirt. It's got a little slit on the side. It is, should call it turquoise. I feel like it's more green. My husband liked it. It's got this kind of heathered look. It's a nice t-shirt. It might depend on how much it costs. I just don't know. I don't like green that much. If I was gonna wear green, this was probably one of the shades that I would wear. But it's just got the V-neck, which is nice. Feels like it's 100% cotton. Let's see, let's check. It's 50% recycled polyester, 38% organic cotton, and 12% rayon. So that much polyester makes me worry that it might not breathe as much as I want. It's not too clingy, which is good. And all right, these jeans, they're high-waisted, which I like. They've got the 5 pockets, and let me pen down again. All right, they've got the slit. I don't know that I mentioned that. And they are a Capri length. So I like them. I actually just don't know if I need them. I don't know that I need another pair of white Capri jeans. So the shoes are super cute, but when I walk, my heel comes right out of them, which is too bad because they are so cute. And let me see if I can get a better up-close picture of them for you. So these are the shoes, and they've got a pointy toe. That's from the side. The straps are a little tight, which is weird that my foot, you can see when I walk how my heel lifts right out. So sadly, as cute as these are, they are going to be a no. And then last, I have this red polka dot dress that I got from Amazon, and I paired it with some black suede Kohan T-straps because I feel like the dress has kind of a vintage vibe, and I feel like the shoes kind of go along with that vintage vibe. So let's come up closer. Buttons down, they are working buttons, and it's got this tie here, and I'm going to come up really close because I'm not quite sure if I should tie it in the middle, off to the side. I'm not quite sure what to do with this tie. It's got these puff sleeves, and it's kind of pleated there, so it fits the arm nice and snug. Just a nice V-neck. I think it's cute. It's light. It's polyester and spandex, but it's really light and just the material feels nice. I know because it's polyester, it's probably not going to be breathable, but I feel like it's light enough that wouldn't be a problem. So here's the side and the back. And I will go ahead and link this in the description box. I'm going to do a wrap up, but before I forget, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't tried Stich Fix, I will leave a link below and you will get at least $25 off your first fix. And sometimes they give me, quite frequently, they actually give me a $50 credit for the first 2 days after I check out. So please check that out and let me know what you think of this dress, and then let's do the wrap up. All in all, that was not a bad fix. I can't really complain about anything other than the green top. All right, so prices. Thread for Thought Pattie Triblend V-neck tee in turquoise, extra small, and that was this one. And this is $28. That is, it does not get better than that with Stich Fix. I'm just trying to decide if if I would reach for it. Because if I don't reach for it, it doesn't matter how cheap it is. It's money wasted if I'm not going to reach for it. So I have to think about this. Next up is the Michael Kors 3/4 scoop neck knit top in, they say white. It's a blueprint, extra small petite. This is $54, and I'm gonna say this is a no. I just, it's really soft. It's the colors I like, you know, I can't complain about that. It just gave me old lady vibe. So, all right, violet and red. Okay, so these shoes, which I'm so disappointed that they just didn't fit me well, because last year I got a pair of red and white, violet and roses Espadrille wedges, and I love them. They have a buckle though. They don't have this strap, and these kind of, they're pretty firm, and they were kind of cutting into my foot. I mean, these are a definite no. They were $89. They're light blue, size 7, but they didn't work for my feet, which made me sad. All right, next up we have the Gen 7 by 7 for all mankind, cropped frayed. Let's see, cropped frayed hem skinny jean in light pink, size 2 for $99. So it's a pretty pink, but you know, I don't know if it's me, but it almost seems like it leans towards coral. What do you think? Does that almost have like a coral vibe to it? I'm undecided about these. I would love to have a pair of pink jeans, lighter pink like that. I just don't know if that's the color I'm after. And for $99, I need to be sure. And then the Cosmic Blue Love Milo side split capri skinny jeans by, oh, I already said Cosmic Blue Love. They are white in a 2 petite, and they are $88. These fit really well. I like the little slit detail at the end. I just don't know if I need another pair of white capris. So the stylist pick subtotal is $358. If I kept everything, I would get a 25% discount, which came to $89.50. So it would come down to $268.50. I need your feedback, guys. I'm really undecided on these. Should I keep the t-shirt for $28? What about the jeans? Decisions. I've spent a lot of money on clothes this month. I got the Front Door Fashion. I got that pair of jeans from Stich Fix. I did my shopping haul, which I will probably publish that next week. I've already filmed it, but I want to get this up because I need to get feedback before I send it all back. All right, so that was my second May Stitch Fix box. What did you think of it? It didn't feel like the struggle bus that it's felt like previously, so I'm happy about that. If you like this video, please give me that thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and hit that notification bell. And yeah, until next time, don't forget to dress like you mean it.